What's up guys, welcome back. Today I will be decluttering some areas of my home that I have been putting off for the longest. I will be using the Konmari Method to get rid of items that I've been holding on for way too long. I will be tackling my jewelry drawer, nightstand, linen closet, and more. So if you guys are looking for some cleaning motivation, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I'm starting off in the kitchen to do a quick tidy up of everything that's been left out onto the countertops. I'm going to unload and load the dishwasher and then move on to the messiest area in our house.
Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories.
The junk drawer is definitely one of the messiest areas in our house. It's jam-packed with papers, pens, tape, and God knows what else. Typically, it does get stuck when we try and pull it out, so it's time to stop procrastinating and get this drawer organized. I'm starting out by literally removing everything from the drawer so I can clearly see what's actually in there, what I can throw away, and then neatly put everything back.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No,
This drawer is not that big at all, and I honestly don't even know how we fit all of this junk and crap in here. So I'm going to use these plastic bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and organize everything as best as I can.
you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
In this top drawer, I definitely wanted to make sure that we had lotion, hand sanitizer, and especially pens, so when we are making our grocery list, it's just something we can easily grab for.
So
So this is all the stuff that can actually go outside in the toolbox. This is gonna go upstairs. This is for cutting hair, and then this can go into the office. Same thing with this, pens, Sharpies, all that stuff can go into the office upstairs. And then this whole big pile is a bunch of just junk trash that is gonna be thrown out. And then this is just like personal items that can actually go upstairs. Moving on to the next drawer, this is where we clearly hold on to a lot of junk, but mostly a lot of our coupons and weekly flyers. So again, I'm going to remove everything from this drawer, wipe it down, and then go through everything.
I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that?
There was also a bunch of takeout menus and some of the places we don't even really eat too often, so I figured that I could get rid of those. And then I'm also going through all of the Bed Bath & Beyond and Harmon's coupons. If you guys didn't know, the flyers that come to you in the mail actually never expire, so we do like to hold on to them, and every so often I will add them into my purse, so anytime I need to run to the store, I always have a few that I can use.
We can hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love.
Back in the day when I was more into couponing, I used to keep them in this envelope right here, and I figured now that we have so many of these like Bed Bath & Beyond coupons, I figured I might as well add them into here, so it's kind of like a one-stop shop place to put all of them. And also, not to mention, it's easier to grab when you're headed to the store, because that store is like Target for me. I go in for one item and somehow I come out with bags and bags full of stuff.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
On upstairs to my bedroom, I definitely needed to clean out my nightstand. I couldn't even tell you the last time I even touched this thing. I don't know what I'm going to even find in here, but it's basically a bunch of different like papers, maybe even old like cards and things like that. Like I thought, there were so many random papers, outdated credit cards, and you guys will see in a moment that there were tons of headphones and chargers that went to so many different things. I'm not even sure what everything went to, so I didn't want to throw those out. So I'm going to test those, and then anything that are doubles or duplicates, I will throw those away. Also, I found a couple of gift cards that I had in there that still had money on it, so definitely a good thing that I finally am getting the chance to go through this.
Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me. 'cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same?
After putting everything away, I completely forgot about my gratitude journal, and this is something I used to write in every single morning. I would write down 3 things that I was grateful for, so I'm happy that I did find this, because I think that during this time, the best thing to do is focus on the things that you're grateful for rather than everything else that's going on in the world. Moving on to our linen closet, today I'm going to be focused on the door organizer because I already decluttered and organized the closet itself, which I will have up in another video. But this is basically a place that we literally just dump all of our personal items, cleaning items, and I was sick and tired of looking at it, so it was time to sit down, remove everything off of the door, and go through everything.
With you in secret under city lights, surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
As I was going through everything, I was sitting there asking myself, is this something I love? Whether it was a cleaning product or maybe even just a personal care item for my hair or skin or whatever it is. Because at the end of the day, I do find that I will hold on to certain products just because I purchased them and I want to use them up. But the reality is it's not something I gravitate to. So I'm just holding on to it just to hold on to it, and it's time to let it go.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
This is everything that I am getting rid of. There is some, what is it? Sunscreen, but I don't know what SPF it is. So I'm just going to get rid of that. A half bottle of like face wash. I am going to keep this, and I am going to keep the door protector and clearly her comb that I will put in her room. But these are products we honestly have had for a really long time. I don't really use them, so I just figure I might as well just get rid of them. So this is what my accessory drawer looks like, a hot mess. So I'm going to remove everything and see what I no longer wear so I can give that away or even just throw it away. This was actually a DIY that I had done a couple years ago. I transformed the top drawer of the dresser into like my jewelry kind of like organizer thing. So I will have that linked up in the cards for you guys if you're interested. I've been listening to so many of my days now. You just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. I started off by laying everything out on the floor. I wanted to get a good look at everything. I also wanted to make sure I had at least a set of earrings, so if I had lost one, then it was clearly something I was not going to hold on to. And then I started tackling any of my necklaces or bracelets that were tangled. For you now, you got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me. These are all the pieces that I am going to give away. Some of these bangles I just don't even wear anymore. I've had this since college, and although it is unique and everything, I just don't ever grab for it. This necklace I got as a gift, and it is nice to like use it to dress up, but the reality is like I'm most likely not going to wear it. Same thing with this necklace, and then some of these earrings as well.